Hello, ma'am, and good morning, classmates. And here is my report. So it's all about how does supply chain management work and the components of SCM. So let's start. So here's my report about supply chain management. So supply chain management is operates by managing procurement. So as we say procurement is the act of obtaining goods or services. Typically, for business purposes, procurement is most commonly associated with businesses because companies need solicit services or purchase goods, usually on a relatively large scale. So, procurement, suppliers, manufacturing facilities, distributors and consumers as they step forward through the production, sales, and purchasing goods. So supply chain management is from from raw materials to manufacturing to delivering to the customers. So how does it work in the supply chain management? So that they carefully research and develop strategy of the supply chain. Number two is the source of materials used to make the goods to sell. So number three is the efficient production of the manufacturing process in getting the goods ready for the market. Number four is the delivery mechanism and logistics but move the product to the consumer and distributors. And last is the system for managing the return of the defective or unwanted products. The manager works to prevent shortage and reduce cost through these five elements, which has a direct impact of profits. So as we can see in the chart is we have the components of SCM. So in the center is we have the supply chain management, and first is we have the plan, develop, make, deliver, and last is return. So first is plan. The initial stage of the supply chain management process is the planning stage. So as you can see in the picture is we have the ideas, vision, think and create. So first thing to do is in the company is they need to have the plan first before doing the doing or making the products. So second is develop involves developing or sourcing. So under the supplier development is we have the supplier identification, supplier evaluation and selection. Three is the supplier management. So here in the develop in the second stage for the components of SCM is after the planning is we have they develop the products that they want to make, and under the supplier development is they identify the raw materials that they needs, and supplier evaluation and selection. So evaluate nila ang mga needs ng product, and ilang i-select ang kung unsay maayo nga gamiton. And third is the supplier management. So that is the under of supplier development. So third is the make. Is the manufacturing or making of the products that were demanded by the customer. So make is same ra sila sa develop. So after they develop the product that the materials that they need before they can no, so develop first before they make. So after developing all the products that all the materials that they need, so here comes the ilan ang i-manufacture sa factory. So after making and processing or manufacturing the products is here comes next the deliver. So the products are delivered to the customer's distant location by the supplier. So the done products that they made in the factory by manufacturing those products that highly demanded by by the customer, and also passed to the consumer. So in any places na balag layo, i-deliver na sa supplier. So here comes the last is the return. So it referred as the return. Defective or damaged goods are returned to the supplier by the customer. So after the done products delivered by the suppliers in any distinct areas, no is so ang mga defective or damaged products or goods nga na deliver is ibalik yun na siya sa supplier. So that's all. Thank you.